Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can add music on the Capcut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap on your Capcut app. So once you tap on your Capcut app, it will take some time to load itself up and will lead you to this kind of page. Now here you can start a new project or continue with the old one. So once your project is selected, simply tap it on and select on the sounds option. After you select sounds, you will get different sounds which you can first download, and then after choosing the sound, you can simply press on the plus sign. So the music will get added to your video which you had selected before. So this way you can add music in the Capcut app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.